Hello, everyone. My presentation is on Dr. Gina Green. So, background about Dr. Green. So, Gina Green received a PhD in psychology, analysis of behavior from Utah State University in 1986, following undergrad and master's degree studies at Michigan State University. She has been a faculty member in behavior analysis and therapy at Southern Illinois University, director of research at the New England Center for Children in Southborough, Massachusetts, associate scientist at the E.K. Shivra Center for Mental Retardation in Waltham, Massachusetts, research associate professor of psychiatry and Pediatrics, University of Massachusetts Medical School, a lecturer in public health and special education at San Diego State University, and a consultant in private practice. Currently, Dr. Green is the Executive Chief Officer of the Association of Professional Behavior. Dr. Green received honorary Doctor of Science degree from the Queen's University of Belfast, Northern Ireland in 2005. So when it comes to the publications of Dr. Green is actively practicing in her field, as can be seen from her recent co-publication in July 2020 on some actions for behavior analysts licensing bodies to consider in response to COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. Green has also published and co-authored several articles in Applied Research, in the Journal of Applied Behavior Analysis, and other areas with respect to developmental disability and autism. Dr. Green co-edited the book Behavioral Intervention for Young Children with Autism and Making a Difference, Behavioral Intervention for Autism. As can be seen, Dr. Green has written and co-edited and co-authored a lot of publications and books. And in all, Dr. Green has participated in writing 47 articles, books, and other publications all put together. When it comes to the impact of Dr. Green has impact on the professional practice in the field of behavior analysis, has been very instrumental, such as advocacy for clients and families, as well as issues associated with their services, supporting the role of science, integration of scientific treatment, and evaluation of clinical intervention. Gina Green is also known for the promotion of science of human behavior and behavior analysis with countless presentations, publications, and testimonies worldwide. Gina Green plays a major role of advancing behavioral analysis through the establishment of certification and standard and the development of legislation and policy on state, national, and international levels. Gina Green is the president of Association of Behavior Analysis Analysts International. So these are the series of questions that I came up with that I would ask Dr. Green if she's here with me. So Dr. Green, these are the questions. What developments in the pandemic, COVID-19, do you see impacting the role of behavior analysts in the near future? What method do you use to organize and manipulate large amounts of data and ensure that your work is error-free? Have you received negative feedback from a leadership team or fellow scholar in the field of ABA? How did you respond? What method would you use to forecast the future of ABA? Can you describe an intervention that you think is not marketed well, and how well would you improve the marketing for that intervention? Finally, Gina Green has supported the field of behavior analysis with her publication and research work, while ensuring that there are standard practices to that evidence-based intervention are implemented by behavior analysts. Dr. Green lectures and consults worldwide on autism and related disorder, behavior research, effective intervention for people with disability, and public policies affecting the practice of applied behavior analysis. Dr. Green has written a lot of publications, and I see her to be somebody who I could make as a mentor because of how wide she has written so much and her influence in the field. Reading most of her publications gives me an insight on how the field is and what to look out for. And also, I like the fact that Dr. Green publications, it's all over, which talks on the field of children, parents, behavior analysis, and also the field in general. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.